that you can get a good look at our puppets. Okay, are we ready? Yeah? Right. So we'll just start with the traditional one, okay? Are you ready, Sophia? Out of the gate and off for a walk went Harry Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. And Hercules Morse, as big as a horse, with Harry Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. Bottomly pots, all covered in spots. Hercules Morse, as big as a horse. I think Bottomley's being sick, Amelia. Amelie, I think Bottomley's being sick, he needs to stand up. Hercules Morse, as big as a horse, and Harry Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. Muffin Maclay, like a bundle of hay. Bottomly pots, all covered in spots. Hercules Morse, as big as a horse, and Harry Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. Bits of Maloney, all skinny and bony. Muffin Maclay, like a bundle of hay. Bottomly pots, all covered in spots. And Hercules Morse, as big as a horse, and Harry Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. Schnitzeled on crumb, with his very low tum. Bits of Maloney, all skinny and bony. Muffin Maclay, like a bundle of hay. Bottomly pots, who's passed out again, covered in spots. Hercules Morse, as big as a horse, and Harry Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. Are you ready, Sophia, to go for a little walk? With tails in the air, they trotted on down through the circle, past the shops and the park, to the far end of town. They sniffed at the smells, they snooped at each door, when suddenly, out of the shadows, they saw... Who is it? Scarface Claw! Yow! Went Scarface Claw. Off with a yowl, and a win, and a howl, and a scatter of colours, when Schnitzel on crumb and a bits of Maloney, all skinny and bony. Muffin Maclay, like a bundle of hay. Bottomly pots, all covered in spots. Hercules Morse, as big as a horse, and Harry Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. Straight back home to bed. You're going to that bed, are you? Right, so I've got it on the strings for you.
I'm just going to keep videoing you.
When I give it to you, you can put it around his neck. Yeah? Right. So our second story is Harry Maclary's Bone. Right, can you come to the butcher shop? You ready, Emily? Bottomly ready? Down in the town at the butcher shop door sat Harry Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. Out of the door came Samuel Stone and gave Harry Maclary his tastiest bone. Let's get his bone on. Then off up the street with scurrying feet on his way to the dairy went Harry Maclary. So we're going to do a bit of chasing around now, Sophia. And chasing him home with their eyes on the bone went Hercules Morse. Bottomly pots chased Harry Maclary. Muffin Maclay, bits of Maloney, bits of Uncle, with a very long tongue. Hungrily sniffing and licking their chops, they followed him up, past the school and past the shops. Stay there now. Come back, dogs. Come back. They came to a sign selling Sutherland sauce. When you go to Sutherland sauce, they all went through, except Hercules Morse. They came to a hedge along Waterloo Way. Under they went, except Muffin Maclay. They came to a yard full of dinghies and yachts. Round they all went, except Bottomly pots. They came to a building site, cluttered and stony. Over they went, except bits of Maloney. They came to a wall by the house of Miss Plum. One of them jumped, but knocked Schnitzel on crumb. Go down and find your wall. So at last he was free to go home on his own, Harry Maclary and all of his bones.